Right, I needed to change my ignition coil on my car, so I thought I'd make this video to show you how to do it. You need to find the faulty cylinder that is misfiring. In this case, it is number 5. Initially it was number 3, but I changed number 3 over to cylinder 5 and to see if it gave me a different code, and it did, so I definitely know it's number 5. First, what you want to do is make sure that there is no power running anywhere through your car, so take off the negative lead of your battery. Look at that, there it is. And initially what happened is when I accelerated fast, my check engine lights started flashing fast, and it wouldn't let me accelerate anymore. It would judder. It was horrible. It was really rough, and it was a lumpy ride. So something wrong. I put on the Google app Torg through my mini ODB fault finder code that you can all get off online. It's the Google app Torg is about £2 to buy, and the mini ODB was £2 from China. So it's a lot cheaper than going to the garage. It told me, like I said, it's misfiring cylinder 3. So I took the ignition coil out of cylinder 3 and put it in 5 because the code was 1303 for misfiring cylinder number 3. So I changed it over to 5 to see if it was the ignition coil, and they give me the code 1305. So therefore we knew it was ignition coil. So I brought one. There it is. That is from Euro Car Parts, nice and cheap, 20 quid. Everywhere else it was 40, 50, even 100 quid for some of them. So this is the cheapest one I could find, and it works just fine. And what you need to do, sometimes you'll be stuck in quite hard, so give it a little wheel, give it a pull, and it should come away. But first you need to take off the power rail that runs to it. There we go, that comes away. You give it a little wiggle, it comes out. A little bit of force, as long as you're quite strong, it comes out. That's the faulty one. You can see it's knackered. Rubbish. Get rid of that, chuck it in the bin. Then shove your new one in. It is really as simple as that. But before this video, I was unsure, because I only had this car a year. I was unsure what the ignition coil was, where it was. So I found out where it was by YouTubing it. The wonders of YouTube, that showed me where it was, and it is a really easy fix. There's no need to take your car to the garage. These things are quite easy to do. This car is a Mark II Ford Galaxy VR6, and it's got the VW engine in it, and it is really nice and easy to change things like this on it, 'cause it's all on top. So it really is an easy fix and easy for anyone to do, so give it a go. In a minute we're gonna go to, see, that's my little tablet, and that has got the Torg app on it, and I'm going to show you that it has got the fault code on it still. We're going to clear it and rescan it and show you that's cleared. That was the problem, that is the job. And this video is, well, this happened about a month ago, and the car's been fine ever since. So there you go, problem solved. Do things yourself, it's easy. Don't take it to the garage and get ripped off. This job would have cost you about 200 quid in the garage. Ridiculous prices. So the apps cost me £2. The mini ODB scanner cost £2, and the ignition coil cost 20. So for £24, you've saved yourself £176. I think my maths is right. No, you save yourself, yeah, 176. So there you go. Don't go to the garage, they'll rip you off. Jobs you can do yourself. Enjoy.